Good morning, students. Let's begin our practical of Biology 12th Standard experiment to study the population density by quadrate method. Now, what do you mean by quadrate? Quadrate is a small area, and we are going to study the plant species population density by quadrate method. Now, let's see what is our aim, material required, and the procedure. Our aim is to study the plant population density by quadrate method. And what are the materials required? Nail, thread, hammer, and a small garden area where we are going to study the plant species count. The procedure is, we will select a site for the study and hammer the nails on the site without harming the vegetation. We are going to fix 4 nails in the form of a square. Okay, all of you are understanding what I am saying? In a small garden area, we are going to take a small area. Each end of the nail is tied with the help of a thread, making 1m into 1m quadrate. Quadrate is the area. 9 more similar quadrates, or as per our study, we can take 2, 3, 4. But today in our experiment, we are going to study only 2 quadrates. That means only 2 areas to study the plant species. The number of individuals of species A, B, C, we are going to count which are present in the first quadrant, similarly in the second and third quadrant also. So in this experiment we are going to choose only 2 quadrants, so there will be only quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So we are going to count the specific individuals. If there are 3 species A, B, C, every species will be counted in both the quadrants, in both the areas. Similarly, all the species count will be taken care in the quadrants we have selected. And finally, the density of the plant population is calculated by formula density is equal to, density is D, D is equal to S by Q. S means the total number of individuals of the species in the sampling unit or in the quadrant, and divided by Q. Q means total number of sampling units studied. So density is equal to S by Q. For example, I have represented the plant species in the form of colored dots here. So it will be easy to understand different species. For example, the yellow species is tulsi. For example, the red species is aloe vera, and the magenta species, the magenta color species is rose. So 3 different plants are present in these 2 areas. So we are going to count the number of species A present in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. As you can see here, the yellow species, that is species A, in quadrant 1 only 3 are there, in quadrant 2 there are 4. Similarly, species B, which is red in color, so in quadrant 1 there are 5 red color species, that is species B, and in quadrant 2 there are only 3 red color species, that is species B is only 3 in number. Similarly, species C, that is magenta color, only to represent a specific plant. So species C count in quadrant 1 is 4, whereas in quadrant 2 is 7. So in this way, we are going to count the number of species in both the areas, that means in both the quadrants, and it is tabulated here in this way. So plant species, species A, B, C, in quadrant 1, in quadrant 2, how many individuals are present? Total number of individuals. For example, species A, totally present in quadrant 1 and 2. Then total number of quadrants we have studied only 2, right? And finally, the density of that particular species is S by Q. S is total number of individuals, Q is the number of quadrants studied. So in this way we will get population density of all the three species. Whereas you can see here the population density of species C is highest, that is 5.5, and the population density of species A is lowest, that is 3.5. So in this way we got the highest populated density plant species and also the lowest populated density plant species. And finally we will write the conclusion as the population density is highest for species C and lowest for species A, and the density value is expressed as the number of individuals per unit area. All of you understood? Thank you so much.